Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to set idle actions in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Press Windows key +I on your keyboard, or right-click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, click on System, click on Power in the sidebar, click on Screen, Sleep and Hibernate Timeouts, and choose what happens when your device is idle for a specific time. You can set the duration for how long the screen stays on and when the device should go to sleep and hibernate when it's idle. This helps conserve power and protects your privacy when you're away from your device. If Hibernate is not already enabled, our video on how to enable or disable Hibernate in Windows 11 might help you. The link is in the description below. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.